In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you're already in a Teams call or meeting and want others to see you, the good news is that turning on your camera is very quick and simple. This is one of the most basic controls in Microsoft Teams, and once you know where to look, you can do it in just a moment. To begin, make sure you are currently inside a Teams call or meeting. This method works while the meeting is already in progress, so you don't need to leave or restart anything. Once you're in the meeting window, look at the meeting controls on your screen. These controls are usually displayed along the top or bottom area of the meeting interface, depending on your device or window size. Next, find the camera icon. This is the button used to control your video. In most cases, if your camera is currently off, the icon may appear inactive or crossed out, making it easier to tell that video is not enabled yet. When you're ready to appear on screen, simply click the camera icon to turn your camera on. As soon as you click it, Teams should activate your webcam and begin sharing your video with the other people in the meeting. If your camera turns on successfully, you should be able to see your own live video preview on the screen. That preview is a helpful confirmation that your camera is now active. If nothing appears right away, give it a second, since it can sometimes take a moment for the camera to connect, especially if your device is busy or your internet connection is under load. It's also a good idea to make sure no other app is using your webcam at the same time, because that can sometimes prevent Teams from accessing it properly. Another helpful tip is to check your framing once your camera is on. Make sure your face is visible, your lighting is good, and your background looks appropriate for the meeting. Even though turning on the camera only takes one click, taking a second to check how you appear can make your meeting experience look much more polished and professional. And that's all there is to it. While you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, just click the camera icon to turn on your camera and start sharing video with the group.